have the cinnamon roll mix. What are you
Do that.
doing? Okay, let's try that again.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
What are you baking?
Some cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls?
Yeah.
What?
And you gotta come like
Okay, can I join?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Can I be in the movie? Can I be in the video?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna bring the cinnamon rolls that we're gonna do, okay? Hi, Ellie. How are you?
I'm going to try that thing.
So we're gonna be making these cinnamon rolls, or at least try. Don't touch it!
Okay.
Hi. What are we gonna be doing today?
We're going to be making some cinnamon rolls.
Alright, so hi guys. We're gonna be I forgot the word. Cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls. We're gonna be baking cinnamon rolls. So we have all the ingredients right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a steak.
Steak. This is not a steak. What about this? Looks like milk or something.
Sugar.
That's sugar?
Yeah.
This is
This is steak.
steak?
Yeah.
That's oil.
Oh
And
yeah.
this?
Sugar.
So you gotta help me.
Remember when Mommy said she said to pour this?
That one first? Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Where's that one? Where's that one going?
It's right here.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay. Now we're gonna the milk. Are you sure about this?
Yeah.
All right, hold on, Ellie. Okay, the milk.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the milk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Spill milk.
You got it. You got it. What is that thing?
Steak.
A mistake?
The oil.
The oil?
Yeah.
Okay, let me help you.
I got it.
Okay, go ahead.
I made it all the way here.
Well, okay, go. I think we're missing a point.
What?
I think we're missing something here.
Oh my. We missing flour.
Are we missing flour?
Yeah.
Why?
Because Mommy didn't bring it.
No, I think there's a lot of flour here.
And I said, I was heavy.
You were joking.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's speed this up.
Wait, it's not
Yes.
going anywhere.
I know, that's what I was telling you.
Wait, that thing?
Ta-da! What is this?
This is the thing for the cinnamon roll.
Yeah, I guess you measure. Oh, it's backwards. What?
Backward.
Hold on. Ah! Ah!
Backward.
Okay, I think. Yes, I think. Hold on, let me
It's
see.
backwards.
No, this is good. I mean, you have to align it, but. A what?
The cinnamon.
This is the mix after we did it.
Yeah.
So you see how it cool looks?
Yeah.
You wash your hands. Okay, that's yes, I hope so.
I'm going to get it.
Okay, so let me get it. I'm just gonna put it away.
Fast.
Fast. Okay, you got this. So what are you doing?
I'm flattening it out
Why?
because it's going to be the cinnamon roll.
Is it like a blanket? Ellie, is it like a blanket or what?
Stretching it.
No! Okay. Don't stretch it. Have the cinnamon roll mix. What are you
Do that.
Okay. Okay. Let's try that again. Okay, so we have something here, but I think it needs more. How do you say it? You gotta make it more larger.
Longer.
Longer. Larger. Longer. Perfect. Okay. Now we have this. It's like a blanket, huh?
Gently.
Gently. I can see through. Look at that. What? Don't ruin it. Okay, keep doing that. And this is the batter that goes right here. Okay. It's like a sugar, cinnamon, and I think that's powdered sugar too.
Stretch this big guy out.
You gotta show me because I have no clue. Okay, so you gotta spread it out. Come on, baby.
Ugh.
Wow. That's so cool. I like it. So what are you doing now?
I'm doing
Why?
like this.
Oh, perfect. I'm helping you.
Hey!
Do it faster. Okay, so now what?
Keep with your hands.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it looks like Cookie Beyonce.
No! Okay, so this is good. I think we have it here. Look, put your hand like this. Ellie, look. Go like that. Look at what happens. Go. Handprints. Okay, let go.
Peel.
You gotta be careful with this. Look.
I'm peeling it.
Okay, careful with your fingers, please.
I'm peeling it.
Oh, you are peeling it. We're gonna eat this cinnamon
Look,
roll.
Daddy, look.
We're gonna
Yes.
eat this cinnamon roll. Okay, I'm done.
Look.
Okay, look at ready. Look at this. We got it. We caught him.
But we gotta roll them and roll
We'll
them.
show them. How do you rolling them? What? No. I think you did it backwards.
Backwards?
Yes.
Oh,
I think you did it. No, actually, you're right. Actually, no. I'm wrong. You're right. You do it that way. So I'm gonna do this one. Rolls. Ah! You got that one too? This looks like a burrito. What? Oh, no.
Yeah.
Okay, and that one, no, I don't think. No. So we're gonna try this. Already been made. So it has all the frost as you can see here. And they're pretty warm still. But yeah, like Ellie said, we couldn't make ours because we probably didn't follow the steps, young lady. That looks good, Ellie.
I want the whole thing.
Look at that. You can see what?
We just got this thing and now ours just ruined.
Why is it ruined?
Because we used a lot of ingredients.
Yes, we did. We did use a lot of ingredients. And you told me to use those ingredients, remember?
Yeah.
Did you just lick that?
Yeah. I don't need a little piece.
Ooh, look at. Tell me it's good. You know it's good. Mama makes the best baking.
It's good.
What? Yes. Yes, we can't compete with her, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Told you. That's gonna taste good. Okay, so ready? I'm gonna try. I haven't tried it yet. So I'm just gonna take a bite. Smells good.
What?
It's good.
Bye guys.
What?
I will enjoy your
Not
thing.
even done. All right, you can say bye. Go.
Bye. I will Bye, I will finish eating. Bye.
Ah, you hit me! You actually... My arm! Really hurt. Ow.
I didn't hurt you, but I just went like this.
Yeah. Ow. Alright. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Say bye, Eylie.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, I will finish eating.
Alright.